If you want to remove the background in Lucidchart, I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it step by step. This is super useful if you want a clean, transparent canvas for exporting diagrams, presentations, or sharing visuals without that default background color showing up. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Lucidchart. First, open your web browser and log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're signed in, open the document or diagram where you want to remove the background. This can be any existing diagram you've already created, so just make sure you're inside the correct file before changing anything. Now, to access the background settings, look at the top left area of the toolbar. You'll see the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that menu, then go to File, then Settings, and choose Document Settings from the drop-down. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, there's another way to get there. You can also right-click on an empty area of the canvas and select Document Settings from the menu that appears. Once the Document Settings panel opens, look at the left side of the settings window. You'll want to find the section called Canvas and Page. This is where Lucidchart keeps the options for your page layout and background appearance. If you're trying to make your diagram look cleaner or more professional, this is the exact area you need. Next, find the background color option. This setting controls what color appears behind your diagram. Click on the color swatch or color box next to it, and a list of color choices should appear. From there, select the transparent option, or the clear option if that's what your version displays. As soon as you choose transparent, the background should no longer show as a solid color. If you are preparing your diagram for export, this step is especially important because it helps keep the background invisible instead of printing as white or colored. That way, when you place the diagram on a slide, website, or document, it blends in much better with the rest of your design. After selecting transparent, take a moment to review your canvas and make sure the background looks the way you want. If needed, click around your document or close the settings panel to confirm the change applied correctly. In most cases, the update happens right away, so you shouldn't need to do anything extra. And that's it. You've now removed the background in Lucidchart using the Document Settings panel. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how polished your diagrams look. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.